Arpeggiator. The Arpeggiator is finally here in FL Studio Mobile and it's a game changer. You don't need a crazy melody, just a normal chord, and the Arpeggiator will do the rest. Just experiment with it and find the rhythm that fits your beat the best. Don't forget to add the Arpeggiator on top of all the plugins. This is required for it to work. SoundFont Player. It's a list of sounds. I seriously don't know what this module is about. If you know, drop it in the comments below.
What the fuck?
There are more updates in the app, but I only found these two modules useful. Anyway, thanks for watching. I might make a full tutorial on this, so stay tuned.